All right, so we're looking at this example here of sample space. So a fair spinner with the numbers 1, 2, 3 on it, as shown, is spun 3 times. List all the possible outcomes from the experiment. So in this case, just writing a list is an option. Oh, shh, shh. Where's it gone? Okay, when you are if you are just going to list things, then you want to try to do it in a logical order. So in this one, obviously they started with 1, 1, 1. They've gone 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3. They've gone then started with 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3. So they've dealt with all of the situations where 1 would be the first spinner. They've done a similar thing then with 2 and a similar thing then with 3. So the question I have lost, it says, find the probability that the score on the last spin is greater than the scores on the first 2 spins. So obviously here, the 2 is bigger than the 2 ones, as is the 3. Here, the 3 is bigger than the 2 and the 1. This one is bigger than these 2. This one is bigger than these 2. So they are the only situations where the score on the final spin is bigger than the 2 other scores. In this case, it would be 5 out of 27. So that's a simple probability of 5 over 27. Lovely. Let's progress to the next page. Not sure why I left such a big gap. Apologies. Now, listing can be fine, but often a sample space diagram could be another option. So especially when you have things like throwing dice, tossing coins, things like that. So this example here, draw a sample space diagram to represent the scores when 2 dice are thrown. So as you can see, they've got dice 1 on the top, and the options are 1, 2, 5, 6. 2 is to the side, again, 2, 5, 6, and then it's just where those meet. And that enables you to kind of question up to okay. Any of the So we're adding the 2 scores together. So these are the ones that add up to give 6, and so there are 5 out of a possible 36. Drawing a diagram like this also helps you quickly to identify this bottom number, because there are 36 squares. Okay, next one. Oh, we're obviously trying to get a double. Okay, so 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 6 options there, so 6 over 36. Again, probability you don't have to, but they have simplified it to be 1/6. I've just circled 1/6. So now we want a score of less than 6. So these ones, all less than 6. There are 10 of them, so it'll be 10 over 36. Oh, so simple with a diagram like that. Well, then we should try some questions. Enjoy.